Okay, here we are at 6636 Bowness Road, lovely back deck, and we're just gonna go down these stairs. You can see we're gonna go in this, there's the suite. We're gonna go have a look at the shared laundry. And you'll see where that door comes out as well. So 2 doors to the suite. So if you go quick back here, small bedroom, egress window. And then this road. This place has parking, street parking as well in the back behind that garage. And then here we have a second bedroom. And that goes back out to the hallway.